Hi guys, welcome to Swarup Ki Rasoi. Today I'm going to make a very quick and simple recipe. It is black-eyed beans curry in pressure cooker with coconut milk. It's very easy to make. If you like my recipe, feel free to share it with friends and family. Also, do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. Take 1 cup of black-eyed beans, wash and soak it in water for 4 to 6 hours. It will take less time to soak if soaked in warm water and kept in a warm place. Finally, chop the onion, ginger and garlic in an electric chopper. Alternately, you can grind it, crush it or grate it if you wish. Heat oil in a pressure cooker and add mustard seeds. When they start spluttering, add the cumin seeds followed by the asafoetida. Then add the chopped onion, ginger and garlic followed by the curry leaves. Mix and saute till it turns translucent. Add salt, turmeric powder, cumin powder, coriander powder and red chilli powder. Mix it well and then add the soaked black-eye bean. Mix well and add water sufficient to cover it completely as shown in the picture. Close this pressure cooker lid and cook on medium flame for 1 whistle. It is important not to cook on high flame or it will not get cooked properly. Simmer for further 10 minutes and then turn off the flame and allow the pressure cooker to cool sufficiently to release the pressure and lid opens easily. Add 3 tablespoons of coconut milk powder, mix well and bring to a boil. Then add spring onions and after it boils, turn off the flame and squeeze about half a lemon juice into it. Transfer onto serving plate and garnish with further spring onions and serve.